went to bed, not without telling me to do some shopping 6 o'clock in the morning. 6 o'clock in the morning on the market. It was a beautiful late summer morning, and I appeared. And I appeared on the market when the business just got started.
But not
My first stand I contacted was owned
for me,
by a kind younger gentleman,
but not
and who is usually under strict control,
for me.
good willing control of his beloved mother. As soon as the stakes disappeared in my bag, the droning sound of a church bell stood beside me. Must be an early morning wedding, I thought to myself. If only the bells wouldn't have sounded so low and so single. The low and single bell announced more the return of a grandmother from earth to earth and dust to dust. Or was it just 6 o'clock? The last tone just faded away between the tomatoes and potatoes when the shadow of a tiny nun rose up out of nothingness. And they were accompanied with such confidential words as, and what a beautiful flowers, and what's their name, and what's their name, and what's their name. Yes, good Lord, she must be a man's.
For me,
Yes, good Lord, she must be a man's.
but not
Yes, good Lord, she must be a man's best
for me.
friend.
To spare. Give me a little time and I'll sing you a song, a lifelong song, and a voice in the river. Ready-made, an evidence, a master plan, a message from the brain.
this and this town too. I'll see you once in a while, but I can't be seen with you. This place is a narrative mess. The floor a tangle of bed sheets and battered sundress.